Discrimination at work can take many forms and can have serious impacts on an individual's career and well-being. Here are some common ways people might experience discrimination in the workplace. Hiring practices. Being overlooked for a job or promotion based on race, gender, age, disability, or other protected characteristics rather than qualifications. Promotion and advancement. Not being considered for promotions or professional development opportunities due to biases related to race, gender, age, or other factors. Pay disparities. Unequal pay for individuals performing the same job or similar work based on race, gender, age, or other discriminatory factors. Workplace harassment. Experiencing unwelcome and offensive behavior or comments related to one's race, gender, disability, or other characteristics. This can include sexual harassment, racial slurs, or derogatory comments. Unequal treatment, receiving less favorable treatment in terms of job assignments, working conditions, or feedback compared to others due to discrimination. Lack of accommodations, not being provided reasonable accommodations for disabilities, religious practices, or other needs, which can affect an employee's ability to perform their job effectively. Dismissal or termination, being unfairly dismissed or targeted for termination based on discriminatory factors, such as age or disability rather than job performance. Exclusion from networks, being left out of important meetings, projects, or social networks that could impact career advancement or professional relationships. Unfair performance evaluations, receiving biased or unfair performance reviews based on discrimination rather than actual work performance. Microaggressions, experiencing subtle, often unintentional but still harmful interactions or behaviors that reflect underlying biases or stereotypes. Unequal access to resources, being given fewer resources, such as training or mentorship, compared to colleagues due to discrimination. Retaliation. Facing retaliation for reporting discriminatory behavior or participating in investigations related to discrimination. This can include being sidelined, receiving negative performance reviews, or facing other punitive measures. Job segregation. Being pigeonholed into certain roles or tasks based on stereotypes or discriminatory beliefs about one's abilities or interests. Cultural insensitivity, experiencing a lack of respect or understanding of one's cultural practices, traditions, or needs in the workplace. Addressing workplace discrimination often requires a combination of awareness, policy enforcement, and proactive measures by both employees and employers. Ensuring a fair, respectful, and inclusive work environment is essential for everyone's success and well-being.